everyone, so welcome back to another episode. We're in a very busy, very noisy Hammersmith in the middle of London to look at the brand new 150 kilowatt Polar PP Chargemaster chargers. 150 kilowatts, so now we know my i3 only does 50 kilowatts, and we've got Gary here with his 80 kilowatt cell, so we're going to give that a try and we're going to give mine a try. We're going to see how easy it is. Now at the moment it's on free vend, but I would have basically used the contact list, which looks as simple as a quick swipe and go. We also have touchscreen, so we've now plugged in the CCS charger into my i3, and we're literally just going to select CCS, which is already done. Click start. Should be verifying. At this point you'd be asked to put in your charging card and payment card, and this we're setting up communication with the car, so they should be charging any minute now, any second hopefully. It's now coming up with charging, so it turns blue, and if you look at the screen it also shows what percentage your car is at the moment, and then hopefully we should be able to see exactly how good the charging is going to be. Not bad. Yeah, I wasn't sure how much I'd get, so we're getting a roughly about 44 kilowatts. My car's capable of 50, but I don't think you really ever get the true 50 out of that, so that's not bad though. Zooming along. So, as you can see behind me, got the chargers, got a few chargers around the back here. We've got some taxi drivers that are coming because it's set on free charge. But we're going to have a little look around and have a look and see what chargers are there. Oh, Paul.
I literally just asked him to recharge this, because the emergency stop had been used.
Oh no. So just click.
Hi, I'm Gary, and I'm here with my 2018 Kia Soul, and we're here at Hammersmith checking out the new 150 kilowatt chargers. I've been here about 15 minutes now. Got just under 7 kilowatts in. Obviously, because I'm up at 89%, I'm not going to get some particularly high speed at the moment, but it's good just to come and check them out and see what it's like. It's a good little setup. We've got 4 of the big 150 kilowatts and one of the older 50 kilowatt units, so hopefully you're never going to come in and find them busy, although having said that, they are all busy at the moment. So I'm going to stop mine now and move off and free this charger up to someone else. Wait for the lights to go off.
Easy as that. They need to do better drainage. Okay everyone, so we're just wrapping up now at the Hammersmith mini hub, is what me and Gary are looking to call this, rather than an actual hub. But I hope you enjoyed this little short episode, a little trip down Hammersmith. If you did, like, share, subscribe, all the normal stuff, and see you again very soon. Bye bye.